Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see points, projection of points, but I will give you all the variety in this regarding first angle. So now we are reading point B is 10 mm above HP and in VP. See, up till now we had some distance vis-a-vis HP and VP, but now in this they are saying point B is 10 mm above HP and it is in VP. So how will you deal with this? It will be like this. So when you will draw XY line and you will draw vertical line from here, and they are saying it is 10 mm above HP. So this distance is 10 mm above XY line. So from here I'll go up by 10. This is point B dash. And when you see from the top we will come here. It is in VP, so it will be on XY line. So always remember, whenever they say it is in HP or it is on HP or it is in VP or it is on VP, it will be on XY line. We'll see one more example like this. So now this is point B. Now we'll see point C. So point C is 20 mm in front of VP. It is in HP and 20 mm in front of VP. When they say it is in front of VP, it will go below XY line. See, it is like this. See why it goes below XY line? Because we need to rotate horizontal plane. See, it is like this. It is in HP, so when observer will see from the front, he will see it on XY line. So point C dash will come on XY line and C is 20 mm in front of VP, so it will be 20 mm below XY line. This is C dash and you go 20 mm below XY line, that is point C. So this is what you got, 20. So we got front view top view of point C. Now let's say if I'll ask you that point D is in HP and VP both, what should I do? In this case, it will be on XY line, both front view and top view. See, when they say it is HP and VP both, it will be like this. This is point D. So this is XY. This is D dash and D. Over. So remember one thing. Whenever in points they will say it is above HP, always remember it will be above XY line. This is for point. See, B is 10 mm above HP, where it is above XY line. Then what I am writing is below HP, that is actually for third quadrant. Right now we are dealing with first quadrant. So ignore this. So I made a mistake, you ignore this. In front of VP. Whenever they say it is in front of VP, it will be below XY line. See here, C is 20 mm in front of VP, so it is below XY line. Now I will add one more thing. When they say it is in HP or it is in VP, or at times people do say on HP and on VP, both the meaning is same, so it will be on XY line. So if you remember this much, you will be able to solve for the first quadrant very comfortably. Thank you.